So the answer for this problem will be two oh sorry two Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video we'll be looking at all-rounder, which means that I'm just going to revise everything we have looked in the basic math. So in this video we will be looking at addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So let's get started. So first of all, in addition, I wanted to just give a overall recap where you just uh, add two numbers together in order to get an answer. For example, let's say we have 2 plus 2, that'll be 4. So you basically take two fingers in your both hands and then you join them together, which gives you 4. So that's basically addition. But you cannot do that for bigger numbers. For example, you cannot do it for 12 plus 24. Well, you don't have 12 fingers and 24 fingers in your hands, so that's impossible. So let's so in this video we'll just look how to do bigger numbers in addition. So let's say my number is 145 plus 130. Now for this my answer will be 5 plus 0, which means 5, which just gives me 5, because since 5 doesn't have any 0 doesn't have any value, so I just put 5 below. And 4 plus 3, which gives me 7, I guess. Yeah, 7. Because you take 4 fingers in your hand, and then in the other hand you take 3 fingers. When you join together you get 7. And here 1 plus 1 gives me 2. So for this problem, 145 plus 130, the answer will be 275. Pretty easy, right? So let's do another problem with a bigger number. Let's say I have let's say 1284 plus 1580. So I will encourage you to pause this video and find out the answer for yourself, and then you can check my answer if it's right. So now let's do the problem. So 4 plus 0 gives me 4. 8 plus 8 gives me 16. So 3. Carryover, which means that since since there are two numbers, which means 8 plus 8 give me 16. So instead of I putting 16 over here, I should put 6 over here and 1 on the other number, the next number. So that's one of the rules in addition. I forgot to mention that. So here, let's see, I'll put 2 plus 1 gives me 3. I just add the 1 here and the 2 here. So yeah, that's pretty much the thing. 2 plus 1 gives me 3, and 3 plus 5 gives me 8, and 1 plus 1 gives me 2. So the answer for this problem is 2864. I'm really sorry for not mentioning this in my addition video, but I hope that you got the process behind it. So we'll definitely have a look at this, in the later videos where we go to complex problems. So now for subtraction, let's say I have 50 minus 40. So now the answer for that will be 10. Well, it's pretty obvious because 0 minus 0 gives me 0, and 5 minus 4 gives me 1. Take 5 in your hand and then close 4 fingers, then you'll end up with a 10. So that's basically subtraction. You can do this basically with any bigger number. And also an rule in subtraction: always the bigger number should be at the top place, and the smaller number should be at the bottom place. That's when you can do the subtraction properly, because if you don't do that, then your number will be it's not proper subtraction. So yeah. And now let's go on to multiplication. Let's say I have let's see, 10 times 5. So I put 10 times 5 here, which gives me 50. And so yeah, 10 times 5 gives me 50, because we need to know the 10 tables here. 10 times 5, that it will be a 50. So the answer for that will be 50. You can also do this the other way. You can also do it like 5 times 10. Anyway, it will give you the same answer. So whatever way it's comfortable for you, do it. So now let's go on with division. This is pretty new, because I just uploaded a video about this yesterday. So you can watch that video in order to understand division. So let's see. Let me have this is 50 divided by 10. Well, you can see that this problem is quite related to this one. Let's check that how. So now I draw the division table, and I put 10 on the outside, and I put 50 in the inside. So we need to know the 10 tables over here. So 10 times 5 gives me 50. So you see, that's here. This problem here, and then answer this thing over here, it's actually the same. I get 5 as so the 5, that'll be the quotient, as I said in the last video. So yeah, a quick recap of the parts of the division. This will be the divisor, dividend, and this will be the quotient, and this will be the remainder. So yeah, these are some of the all-rounder videos. Basically, it's like just a quick recap of the basic math. So this is what I'll be doing in every chapter. If I go for a bit more advanced, I'll just do a recap of everything in this channel. So yeah, if you really like this video, please subscribe, give a like, and please share to your friends, and also comment below if you want more of these really educational videos. Thank you.